Hello again, and welcome to another episode of Bovril Beginnings. This episode will take a look at Bovril's corporate buyback program, so let's get started. The Bovril corporate buyback program, also referred to as simply the Corp Buyback, was created to help community members sell the resources they've worked hard to acquire without the dangers of transporting a nullsec or the headaches involved with any logistics that would have been necessary to sell those items. Some of the things to know about the Corp Buyback is that you can only use it if you're an authorized member of our corporation. If you're ever curious on what the current buyback values are for your commodities, you can always check them at our buyback page. When using the Corp Buyback program, only buyback orders that have 2 or more differing commodities will be accepted, and there's a minimum order amount of 10 million ISK. In addition, any ore and harvested ice must be compressed to be eligible. So let's go ahead and take a look at the process. This is going to be a step-by-step example of how to complete a buyback order. Now, as you can see on the left, we have our buyback site open, and on the right, there's some ore in the inventory that we'd like to place into the buyback program. Now, you'll notice some of this ore is already compressed, and you can do this too by selecting the item or items you want to compress, right-clicking, and then selecting Compress. Keep in mind that you can only compress ore or ice above 100 units, so there's going to be some leftover, and that's okay. Just keep it until you'd like to create another order. Go ahead and view your inventory in list mode. This is because you want to copy and paste your selected items into our buyback website. These are going to be your normal basic computer functions, so simply Shift or Control left click your desired items, Control C to copy, move over to the buyback site, and press Control V to paste your items. As you can see, the contract total has been listed based on the items pasted. Now return to your selected items, right-click, and select Create a Contract. There are different ways of doing this part, but you can just simply type in Bovril in the open field and click Partial Terms and then click Next. In the next dialog box, you can scroll down and select Bovril Borers Mining Co-op. On this screen, you can verify that the correct items are checkmarked or if you want to add more items. Let's go ahead and click Next here. On this screen, you want to enter in the contract amount on your left into the I will receive. For expiration, make sure it's 2 weeks, and in description, go and type in Corp Buyback. Here on the last screen, make sure that your information is correct. You'll want to check the recipient, home station, and total, and then when you're ready, click Finish. Contracts are approved within 24 to 72 hours, but in the case of a delay, please feel free to reach out to any leadership you see online to check the status of your order. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Bovril Beginnings. Be sure to check out other videos in this series that will cover everything you need to know about flying with your new corp.